What's going on, everyone? Enzo here, team driver for Team Associated. I wanted to come at you guys today with an unboxing video of the new Team Associated B6.4D dirt car. This is the new release of the two-wheel drive buggy that Associated just came out with. They do have the D dirt car, and they also have the regular B6.4, which is the carpet version. So yeah, we were able to get our hands on one with the pre-orders they had for the team guys. So luckily mine showed up today. Really excited to get this one out on track. We've already gone ahead and cut the seals to make this a little bit quicker. So let's go ahead and try and do this in one take. So here we go. This is what you get when you order or buy your AEB 6.4. Bam, there it is. So right off the gate, the pivots on the B6.4 should be the same as the B6.3 from what I was told. It is the same. These are the 73 millimeter arms that came on the B6.3. So it looks like you will be getting the same rear end parts as your previous car if you're coming from a 6.3. This didn't change. Same old trusty AE turnbuckles and ball cups. Nothing new there. Let's see. This is the same wing that you get on the 6.3 and same front wing, it looks like. Or maybe the front wing might have been different. I think they mentioned that. But the rear wing is the same one. This is the new body, the new styling that they have. All B6.3 bodies will not fit the B6.4, unfortunately. The chassis design has changed. As you can see, the shape and the formatting of the side dams of the body have changed. It's a lot more straight along the edges, whereas the old car kind of had some contours that went up and around. So definitely looks like it's a much more squared off body versus the 6.3 where it kind of started narrow and worked its way out wider. This one kind of stays wide and then works its way in. So definitely a different body. Looks like you have the nice fin design going down the center back of it. Should be a good high-speed body with good stability. It should be a good carpet and mod dirt body, it seems, for high grip and medium to high. It looks like it should be pretty good and add some good stability. So this is the new body. Pretty neat. Let's see what else we got. This is entirely new. The new steering design that they have on the car, the new caster blocks are a -1 kingpin angle. So they did go ahead and update the steering geometry on this car, so you will be getting new steering parts. This is our transmission. Shock towers are the same. Transmission and stuff are all the same off of the 6.3. So nothing new there. You will be getting your same old stealth transmission. These are your battery brace parts. This is all the same. One thing I did almost skip over is the new fan mounts. There are new fan mounts included for the stock guys. So that's pretty neat. Ball diff is the same as the 6.3 with the exception that now you get a cage thrust assembly, which you can maybe see right there. So you get a cage thrust for the thrust assembly for the ball diff. So that's pretty cool. Will increase the life of the diff. This is totally new for this year are the new 13 mil shock bodies and shocks that they have. As everyone knows who's been running Associated for all these years, you did always get 12 millimeter big bores. Associated this year took the step and they went ahead and went with a 13 mil design. So these are the new 13 mil shock bodies. The only thing that changes is the shock body and the piston, and obviously the cap and spring. But your internals, so the 12 millimeter machine shock internals, the X-rings, and your shock shafts are still the same as your 6.2, 6.3, and previous design 12 mil shocks. So you do get new shocks. These will be interesting to try out. Definitely looking forward to that. New also for 2022, you do get a updated front bulkhead. The front balsa mount or front bulkhead is completely different. They did change that as well with different angles. So part of the steering geometry. And then we get on to the part that everyone wants to know about is the chassis. As you can see, definitely wider. Like I said, it's got a more squared off profile. You get a lot more room to mount your electronics. It looks like the side rail is going to probably end around here, just like it shows in the photos. So you get a lot more room to work with your electronics. And then if you realize it, they shifted a lot of the weight forward. Your battery cutouts on the old car used to be closer to the back bias of the car. Now they're towards the center and front. your speedo and receiver really towards the front, almost right on top of the servo. So a lot of the weight shifted to the front. It's going to help with that corner speed and all the latest and greatest slick racing with all that we do on these indoor tracks. And then also for the B6.4 is they went ahead and reduced the kick-up angle, so there is less kick-up on this car, and it changes the way the front end goes, all part of the updated front end geometry. So that is the new chassis. And then what else do we have? The side rails and front arms are in this one. Front arms, rear arms, like I said before, same as the old car. Side rails are totally different, however, obviously to fit the new chassis. So that's what you get in this one. What's left here? Your rear hub. This is the same, nothing changes. Same rear hub, hub inserts, all that's the same as the old car. And then you get your manual. So just wanted to go ahead and do a quick unboxing video, show everyone what you get in the box with your new B6.4. Hopefully this one take video was pretty good. Just something to give you guys a rough idea of what all comes in the kit when you order yours from your local hobby shop or your online retailer. So again, quick unboxing of the new B6.4D. And yeah, hope everyone enjoys it and everyone can get their hands on one. We'll be making a video on this car here soon. Thanks everyone for watching. See you later.